So it's our last morning here. Just packing up, heading out to the airport. Thought it was fitting to get the ultimate croissant filled with chocolate again. So good. So good.
So this is our apartment. Got the funky door. The old art. Our super funky bookcase wall to the bedroom. Which is a tucked away little cozy spot. That arch has a super weird echo if you turn your head weird. There's our hallway. We're all packed up today. You come in, it's a super bright little bachelor pad. Got the funky little kitchen nook. Got an excellent view down the street. You look out. Really an awesome little street. Awesome view. And then the rest of the apartment, even super old art, even in this place. And got a sweet little fireplace. It's nice. And here's our places we're packing up. Cute little bedroom, and here's the bathroom, but it's pretty much messy now. So that's about it.
Thank you. Are you excited for a 9.5-hour flight? No.